How to get a business loan for your photography equipment rental studio. Photography rental studios manage constant costs: camera gear, lighting equipment, insurance, and facility upkeep. Replacing or expanding equipment inventory requires access to fast capital. Our team operates as independent brokers. We are not part of David Allen Capital, but we partner with them because their process is fast, transparent, and built for creative businesses like yours. David Allen Capital's lender network delivers quick decisions, often the same day approvals, and funding within 24 to 48 hours. They also stand behind every offer with a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another lender beats their deal, DAC will either match it or pay you $500 in cash. To qualify, your business should have at least 4 months in operation, generate $15,000 or more in monthly revenue, and maintain a FICO score of 550 or higher in the US or Canada. Newer businesses can explore DAC's microfunding options. Click on the link in the description below, watch the founder's message, and apply today to get your studio the capital it needs fast. Good luck!